Alright guys, I don't know why, but it is VSL Fredbear here with another video, and I don't know why, but I decided to take apart my Rubik's Cube. These are the remaining pieces and centerpiece, which is like a little fidget spinner. Really fun, but okay, I'm gonna do the orange face first. I'll be back when I have the cross. Wait, guys, I'm missing a piece. This is what I have, and this is what there is. These guys with these little edges, those are center pieces or edge pieces, and then these guys, these are corner pieces. And I have absolutely no orange. I am so stupid. I will. Okay, guys, so I have the cross done, and now the forming the rest of it is the easiest part. Oh God, I thought it was gonna break. I'm just gonna quickly put these on. Almost done. Just one more. What the? And then done. All right. So I just have to form the rest, and for this, I'm gonna use these pieces right here. So this one goes here. I'm looking for ones that don't have red on them, because then these go up here on the red one. Right here. It's a little hard to do this with one hand. Usually I have two. But yeah. Here. One more. What the? This one came apart. I don't know why. Alright, and the rest of this is just, oh crap, it's on the wrong leg. Crap, what the heck? Hold on. Alright, I got it in. Now I'm going to do the cross for the red side. This is a little hard to do with only one hand. Wait, I already said that. And it's weird how it works on the inside. Like, it's just a bunch of cubes put together to form one cube. Oh. It's not right. There. It's just gonna take a while with one hand. Alright, I'm gonna finish the cross. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finished the cross. Now I just have to put these in. It's gonna take a while with one hand. I'll be back. I actually could just hold it like this and then hold it above. Okay. I could just do this. This one goes here. This one goes here. And putting it together is very easy. I'll show you how you take it apart when I'm done. But I won't actually take it apart. Yeah. Not going in. There. One more. The last piece. Don't know why this is falling apart either. Oh my god. And this is one of my new cubes. Come on. Oh, ouch. Alright, there. It still works. You know, I can turn it still. It still works. Nothing really wrong with it anymore. I mean, it's a speed cube, so you would expect me to go fast. But this cube, yeah, I'll do another video on that. This one might take a while. Part 2. Bye.